Morning guys. What's up? It's another day. So, prepare kami. It's around 5 a.m. na in the morning. So, we go for a walk. First until what?
Who switch off?
Just now I switch off. You charged my phone, huh?
My phone was not charged.
Oh. So, ayun guys. Prepare na kami.
I'm not even thinking about my phone.
No, I thought it's already in, we cannot go?
Said I cannot bring it.
That's okay, you cannot bring. So, mag-workout ta guys. Mag-walk ta kasi,
Okay, because
ano tayong ginawa kahapon. Hindi rin ako nakapag, And then, later, magpupool kami. Or sauna. Sauna.
sauna guys. Kailan magsauna?
Sauna.
Sauna.
Maggamit kami. Regalo pala ng guys. Ang asawa ko, Gold Giordano. Ayan. Binila niya na naman ako. So, 3 yung cup ko na puro black. It's all new. Sponsored by my wife. So, ayan. Ready na ta, guys. The shoes. White flower? She's not feeling well, guys. But I asked her to come with me kay magano lang siya. Suka na siya. Wala kami guys, dalang t-shirt na extra. I have, but so, suit na t-shirt ko lit. Late na siya, oh. Sobrang laki dati ngayon, late na. Kaya na yung ko. You wear my socks, yan. Kahit socks guys, hindi kami nagdala. Kasi we're not expecting this. Stitchy. So, we're doing this para sa aking back. So cute. This is my shoes I buy before. Huh?
Yeah, the one you did.
Really?
Tagnimas ako. Only the tie I cannot do it anymore. Why?
How many shoes you have?
Only one that shoes that you have a big deal.
Where's the black shoes you have?
I throw na.
Really? Yeah.
Only your shoes is. That's why I want us to buy the Under Armour na pang running.
And the other shoes.
Yeah, ba't kung mag-isa na ko si mama?
Mm-hmm.
For running.
Fine guys, we're ready na. Among baby, oh. Behave kayo. She's not feeling well, guys. Mainam sa mi og warm water before me mag-walk. See you sa walk na mo, guys.
tinaog kami. Umiwa ko ako. Sa unang kapulit ipatag sa kasal parang sa nina. Kaya ito po yung bawas. Guys,
Humidity. We're walking na guys. Paliwanag na kami nang lumabas. Kasi nag-charge kami ng phone konti. Sinarge namin kagabi but hindi nag-charge. So, yan guys. Pabalik na kami. And we will go to gym sa taas. And pool. Gupitan niya ako mamaya. Pagdating ko, magluluto ako. So, very productive yung days. I hope you guys have a productive days too. Have a great day. Guys, tapos na kami mag-walking sa taas. We checked the gym and pool here. But it's just only, this one. So small. And the pool. It's, they are cleaning. Where's sauna? The sauna is here. So, later na lang ito mag-pool kaya hindi are cleaning.
this is the jacuzzi.
The small one is jacuzzi, I think. So, ayun guys. Gym. Yeah. For work.
Yeah. He's doing a great job. If you're familiar, you see?
10 minutes.
She burned already 12 calories. And then coming. The speed, and then because she's having a problem with her going upstairs, guys. So that's why I set up to an incline 2.5. And only 5 minutes ako ang nabot, guys, but she's doing it. She's almost there sa iyang 10 minutes. And
so ayun guys, I ran 20 minutes. Okay. And I burned 54 calories in 1 kilometer. With speed 4.6. And this is my first time who use that what do you call that? Treadmill. So it's it's my first time using treadmill. I always jog outside only. So some situation will give you your experience life. We are manifesting this kind of life, healthy lifestyle, and you don't need to go for a work or job, 9 to 5 job. So that's why we are working the career of being a trader. So we can work only a minute, an hour, or a day, depends. So yeah, this is how I wanted to be. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you have your own goals too, and we achieve together. Wow! My God! Before I'm straight. Yeah. Straight. Now guys, work out me.
straight or what?
Straight.
Yeah, straight.
I'm straight. It's like this. Okay, 1,
Sama na ako. Yay!
Ayan guys, pagkatapos mag-gym, nag-prepare na ako ng lulutuin ko na ulam namin. Fried fish, magagata ako mamaya niyan. And the chicken. So, nag-prepare na ako. May sinigang kami. Okay. So, ginawa ko, pinakulan ko na siya. Okay, lahat ng ano, kasi konti lang yung gata namin. So, ito, ano to, hindi siya gata. Basta ba isang yung gagawin. Kulang yung ano namin, kaya ganyan ginawa ko. While she's making my CV, yan. So, I prepared the breakfast na already. So, ayan guys, breakfast na kami. So, ayan, I hope you have a good day. And God bless. Peace out.